So this is where our raw material is stored. It's delivered to us in great volumes, about 6.5 million square metres a year in sheet and reel form. So it's stored in the aisles until it's ready to go on to its first process, which will either be print or cut. The majority of our products will be printed first. So the raw material is picked up and delivered to the machine that prints it. Okay, so welcome to the top row, which as you can hear is a very noisy machine. The material is delivered on the pallets round to where it's fed, which is this way. So this is our flexo press. As you can see, the sheets are being fed in. They go through a flexo roller to be printed. They come off the other side, ready to go to the next process, which is cut. So the sheets come off the press and are collected onto a pallet. They're then delivered to the next process along. So this is the Eterna cutting machine. As you can see, it's a big machine that processes the sheets from printed sheets into the finished shape of the product. So you can see, if you look through the window of the machine, the die is cutting the sheet. So the dies are the piece of equipment that cuts the product into shape from the sheet, one by one, and that is chopping the product into the right shape, and it's also taking off the waste from the sheet. So we go from sheet form into cut product, which is then separated to go on to the finishing process.